Now, when we're viewing accounts, we're thinking about what is the expense? Was it a supply? Was it travel? Was it meals? What was the expense? The second piece that we'll track here is a class, and this is going to be what is the expense for. Now, if you're using a system like Sage Intacct, this could just be an additional dimension, doesn't have to have the class title, but what we're trying to get to here is what was the expense for? Was it program? Was it admin? Or was it fundraising? Thirdly, we will have projects. And again, in a system like Intacct, this could be a third dimension, but for QuickBooks Online, we use the project feature to determine who funded the expense. So we have what was it for, and then how was it funded? Was it used or paid for through the use of restricted funding? And then a fourth field that is available is known as the location or department. And this is going to be who initiated the expense. So we're getting really all facets here for that expense. What was it? What was it for? Who paid for it? And then what department initiated that expense?